Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm the Herbs and Teas Specialist here at Merz Apothecary and Smallflower.com.
Hey, I'm Daiva. I'm a sales associate here at Merz Apothecary.
Merz Apothecary is a beautiful store that's been around for 150 years. Smallflower Herbs and Teas are a curated collection of over 200 different products sourced from all over the world. In addition, we also have dozens of custom blends. Specifically, the herbs were a central part of forming this apothecary back when it first started. The immigrants from Europe, that's how they cared for their families. It often happens that someone on staff is asking me for something for a specific purpose. I'm like, ooh, herbs can help. The first thing that I do is think, is there one herb that does all these things? And there often is. So I'll usually have 2 herbs that are taking care of the primary function of the blend, maybe 2 or 3 other herbs that are supporting those functions. And the last 2 are harmonizing is the best word for it. Like they just kind of complement everything. That's often where the flavors are going to go.
As a sales associate, a lot of what people come in for is the kidney and bladder tea. Yes. And liver and gallbladder tea, the women's balance tea, the focused energy blend. Those are 2 of my favorite blends here at Merz.
Using them to support your body in its natural functions because they're plants and they're living beings, they're already fully balanced. When you take an herb, your body just accepts it and assimilates it so easily.
I enjoy a cup of tea most when I take the time to take that saucer out of the cabinet as well and set it, strain it, get it ready. I love the sound of when I set the cup back on the saucer, the ritual of it. It's all a part of that experience that helps to soothe and calm. When most people think of teas, they're thinking of the beverage tea that you would buy at a grocery store or the coffee shop. Our customers come to Merz because they understand teas and herbs to have therapeutic benefits.